With rapid growth over the past 20 years, Sabah, Malaysia's second largest state, has emerged unto its own, writing a unique homegrown success story, while firmly establishing its credentials as a key player in Malaysia and the region's future. Blessed with an abundance of natural resources and a strategic location, not forgetting a rich heritage of culture, history and talent, the land below the wind is fast emerging as an economic powerhouse, poised for prospects. While Sabah's progress is due to the contributions of many parties, one company that has played a special role in its success story is Sabah Ports Sdn Bhd. As the state's main port operator, Sabah Ports has delivered maritime logistics, access, and opportunity to Sabah, along with bringing the world to its shores. Sabah Ports stands tall on a track record of excellence, delivered through a culture of quality and professionalism. The story of Sabah Ports Sdn Bhd begins when the far-sighted decision was made to privatize the management and operation of all seaports in Sabah. The agreement was signed between the state government and public-listed company Surya Capital Holdings Berhad and its subsidiary Sabah Ports Sdn Bhd. Since then, both state government and company have worked in close partnership to unlock Sabah's growth potential. Sabah Port operates all 8 ports in Sabah. Complementing Sabah Ports is its subsidiary, SP Marine Services, which specializes in providing logistics and bunkering services and waste oil management services. It is also a supplier of fuel, lubricants, and fresh water for all ports in the state. As the state's newest and biggest seaport, Sepanggar Bay Container Port is a dedicated container facility. Over 70% of Sabah's total container cargo volume passes through here. Since going into operation in June 2007, the port has seen continuous increase in container volume and productivity, while delivering cost efficiency and stronger profits. Fully equipped to cater to larger vessels, Sepanggar Bay is poised to further enhance Sabah's commercial appeal while emerging as one of the top transshipment hubs in the Bimpiaga region. In the same vicinity as Sepanggar Bay Container Port is Sepanggar Bay Oil Terminal, a dedicated facility for petroleum and chemical products used by oil majors such as Shell, Petron, and Petronas. The oil terminal is a key component of the extensive oil and gas supply chain on the west coast of East Malaysia. Completing the list of ports on the western seaboard is Kota Kinabalu Port. Located close to Sabah's state capital and central business district, Kota Kinabalu Port currently handles general cargo. With Kota Kinabalu City renowned as a holiday destination across the world, the port plays an important role in supporting the domestic tourism industry by catering to incoming cruise liners. Parent company, Surya Capital Holdings Berhad, will embark on an ambitious plan to redevelop Kota Kinabalu Port and its vicinity into an international waterfront landmark and cruise terminal. Kudat's port, closer proximity to the Philippines, makes it a top choice for maritime trade to the archipelago. Kudat Port handles general cargo and timber-related products. Till today, the port maintains its long history of barter exchanges with the Philippines. Sabah is Malaysia's biggest producer of palm oil. Collectively, Sandakan, Tawau, Lahad Datu and Kunak provide the palm oil plantations located in the hinterland of Sabah, with maritime access and logistics for transportation of crude palm oil and edible oils. As Sabah's second busiest port, Sandakan Port is a constant hive of activity, as it handles not just palm oil-related products, but also containers, general and dry bulk cargo. Tawau Port's close proximity to Kalimantan, Borneo, makes it the leading choice to handle cargo from East Kalimantan. It is one of the key locations that facilitates trade between Malaysia and its neighbor, Indonesia. Lahad Datu Port, which handles palm oil, general and dry bulk cargo, is blessed with a natural deep water draft of up to 12 meters. Kunat Port is a dedicated crude palm oil terminal. The jetty has a 17-meter draft, the deepest of all the 8 ports, and a capacity of 45,000 deadweight tonnage. With plans to transform the domestic palm oil sector into a palm oil industrial cluster, a major hub for related upstream and downstream activities, the eastern ports are well primed to enjoy further importance going into the future. In addition to supporting the economy, the ports provide a key source of employment to the state, employing people across a wide range of operations. As it plays its role in the development of the state, Sabah Ports believes in playing a role in safeguarding one of the state's most precious resources, that of its natural environment and the local community. Over the years, corporate social responsibility, or CSR, has become an important part of Sabah Ports' business philosophy. This includes a triple bottom-line approach that emphasizes the well-being of people, planet, and profit, with both internal and external stakeholders taken into consideration. Sabah Ports is now on the verge of new aspirations and achievements. Sights are set on a brighter horizon. In the pipeline is a 20-year development plan to enhance port facilities and capabilities. This includes the Sabah Bay Expansion Plan, construction of an international cruise terminal at KK Port, the implementation of IT-based port automation systems. As we pursue our vision of becoming the preferred port operator in the Bimpiaga region, we also realize the bigger vision of realizing continued growth, progress, and development for Sabah. Sabah Ports, your ports of preference, building a better and more prosperous Sabah and Malaysia.